Wow. That must be a warp glitch. Like, it didn't took me to Cole's Ultimate Universe or whatever. I still don't feel that good. Ugh. Like, I didn't took that purple potion or anything. Like, I don't feel so good. Let's see if... Oh, this thing is opened. Hello, LightningDude. What's up? Oh, who are you again? Oh, I'm that portal thing. Not the portal, but the computer thing that you saw at their galaxy. Okay. Well, your dream will end. Okay. Your dream will end in May. In May? It's only February. Well, June. No, not June. January. Yes, you have a good few months. So, bye, LightningDude. Okay. Wait. Hey, Miss Computer Person or somewhat, or Mr. Computer Person, do you know what's wrong with me? Because I've been feeling really odd. Oh, you've probably been having some of that purple goo. I didn't took it though. Yes, but I feel like somebody put it on you. I wonder who. It wasn't Cole or James because they've been doing other stuff without me and stuff. I don't get it. I still don't feel good. What happened to me? Somebody help. Wait, what is that? What is that? That must be LightningDude. I didn't mean to do that. Well, I did. He doesn't know what I did. Well, he might be. I don't know. Okay, where is that mansion? Not mansion. I want LightningDude. Come on, go. Hey, computer person? Yes. Earth meat eater. Did LightningDude come here? No, he didn't, since LightningDude created me in the future. Wait, he did? I thought I created you. Nope. Well, see ya. Didn't mean to do that. Well, let's go. I don't care if LightningDude sees me or not. All I have to do is just hide from here. Whoa, who is that? LightningDude. Well, not my problem what happened to him. Wait, if it It is. It is my problem because he's connected to me. Okay. All I have to do is just lightning bolt him. Okay, I'm gonna wait until nighttime to do it.